Hey team, this is Tina, and today I have a 5-minute, you heard it, 5-minute Tabata core workout. So don't underestimate the time of 5 minutes because we're gonna keep moving with no breaks. Tabata basically means you're working for 20 seconds and resting for 10, but our rest is actually gonna be a static hold, so you will feel the burn the entire time. So if you're ready, we're gonna go ahead and start. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go. First one, we're basically doing a knee tuck. So you can put your hands right behind your ears, bring your knees into your chest, really engaging the core. What I don't want to see is tucking your chin or pulling on your neck. And time, 10 seconds. Now we're just gonna rest and relax and hold a hollow body. Now for those of you that know how to do a Tabata, feel free to grab a weight and hold. We're gonna go back into knee tucks, 20 seconds. Here we go. Squeeze and breathe. In a core movement, you really wanna just focus on the movements, breathing all the way through, getting that oxygen in. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and hold again. 10 seconds. You can do anything in 10 seconds. You got 5 more seconds here. 3, 2, and 1. Back to knee tucks. We only have 2 more sets of these, and then we'll be moving on to another movement that you're gonna love. 10 seconds. Squeeze and breathe. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Hold for 10. Now, if your back hurts, you can place your hand right underneath your bum and just hold the hollow body this way. One more of the knee tucks. Let's go. 20 seconds. Sometimes I move way too fast and I don't focus on what I'm supposed to work on. So I too have to remind myself just to go slow and control. There we go, 3 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1, and 10-second hold. Here we go. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and we're gonna go right into our next movement. We're gonna go flutters. So keeping those legs locked out, toes pointed up. I say toes to nose, and we're just gonna flutter. Less than 10, 5 seconds, 3, 2, and 1. Back to that hollow body. Oh my goodness, I'm burning. This is not easy. 3 more seconds, let's go. 3, 2, 1, and back to flutters. My back is feeling a little bit, so it's okay. We're gonna keep moving. Just keep swimming, you know, flutters. 10 seconds. We're almost there, everybody. 5 seconds. Oh, I'm feeling it. 3, 2, 1, and that deadly hollow body. Here we go. You wanna engage, so really squeeze the core muscles. Press your lower back into the ground and back to flutters. Oh my God, I'm dying. How about you? Swim, swim, swim. Try to make sure that your legs are locked and don't bend the knees because you don't want to look like a dying bug. So keep those legs straight. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. And hollow body. Here we go. Inhale deep. Exhale. Last round, flutters, and we're almost done. Stay with me, 15 more seconds. And those of you that are advanced, you know not to stop, so you got 10 more seconds here. 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1, and last 10 of hollow body. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. Sometimes after a really good, intense workout, you're gonna feel like that. But again, just stay in the game. You wanna keep pushing through. Your day 1 is gonna look different from your day 20 or even 300 days. So just stay consistent. Always keep moving. Don't think about yesterday and just try to do your best. So thanks again. It was a great workout. I'm burned. Hopefully you are too. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.